How to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. If you're trying to post a reel to your Instagram account and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do straight away is try to clear out the app cache. This simply means that you're deleting the temporary files or the corrupted files which may be causing these sort of issues. So what you need to do is tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and right here on the bottom you'd be able to see the option called clear data and clear cache. Simply tap on this option. If you're using an iOS device, you need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload your application. Once you do this first step, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version of the Instagram application and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next video.